Today I share with you how to make chicken pie. This is just so easy and delicious, and every bit of this recipe you are going to love it. To begin, guys, I'm going to be needing all-purpose flour. Next is for me to add in sugar. Next is to add in salt. Next is to add in baking powder. All I do is to stir together. Now I'm going to be adding butter and then keep on mixing. So I get that mix until everything gets dissolved like this. So all I do now is to add in some egg. I make use of 3 eggs. I mix together. So after mixing about 1 minute, now I'm going to be adding milk. So I make use of 1 cup, but I get that add twice like this. So this is me adding the last one. So all I do now is to mix everything together. So what I do is just to transfer that to the wall surface. Then I can use my hand to massage the flour very nice until it come out like this. This is me after mixing everything. It was just so nice and fluffy. So perfect. Have you shared, guys? You're just going to love this. It was so amazing to enjoy. So after getting that done, what I do now is to transfer that back inside the bowl, because at this point I'm going to allow this to rest before I can make use of it. So I'm going to cover that to rest for 30 minutes. Now it's for us to prepare the sauce filling. So over here I'm going to be adding some oil. Over here I have already grounded chicken. At the same time, that was ground with onions and hot pepper, garlic and ginger. So I get that stir fry for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to season that with chicken seasoning. Next is for me to add in is nut cube. I make use of 2, and then adding salt to taste. What I do now is to keep on stir frying that. So I get that stir fry. About 3 minutes later, I'm going to be adding green beans. Next is to add in is carrot, and then adding a little bit of water and stir together. So 3 minutes later, all I do is to add in corn. So this is already cooked corn, and then add that, then add in this green and yellow bell pepper. Just at this point, I'm going to turn off the heat because it's ready to enjoy. See how delicious this look. It was just so juicy, and at the same time it was everything nice. At this point, I'm going to turn off the heat. It's ready. So here we have the batter. I'm going to first of all add in a little bit of oil in the wall surface. Then all I do now is to add in the batter and then use my cutter to divide that into little bites. I'm trying to make everything to come out one shape, because first of all I'm going to demarcate it like this. So this is me after achieving all the whole batter the same shape. So I just take one of it. All I do now is just to roll it like this. So I roll that, then I use my cutter to cut that into square root shape. So once I achieve the square root shape like this, so what I do now is to bring out the excess. See how gorgeous that look. So now I'm going to grease it around with this egg mix. So once I grease it, then I'm going to be adding the sauce, just 2 spoons of the sauce, then I cover. It was just so easy, as you can see. Oh my goodness. So use your hand to just cover it like this. So if you haven't shared the video, just share this video and follow this process to make your chicken pie. You are going to love it. So after that, I'm going to use this fake to seal it around like this, then transfer that back inside the oven, and then everything is done at this point. So before I get that bake, I'm going to first of all grease everything around, then transfer that back inside the oven to do the job. At this point, it's ready. I get this bake about 40 minutes, and now we have it. See how yummy this look, my people. It was just so delicious. So delicious. I just love every bit of this pie. The sauce, the pie, every bit of it is everything nice. If you haven't tried this before, this is the right time to give it a try. All you have to do is to share. Bye.